Use properties of logarithms to expand each logarithmic expression and then evaluate if possible. So for these two problems, I have a mixture of different types of properties. So I'm going to go ahead and begin with part H. If you need to review the properties of exponents, then I encourage you to watch previous videos where I go over and explain each part. Now, the first thing I notice here on the left is that I have a product. I have x squared times the square root of y. So I can rewrite this logarithmic expression as log of x squared plus log of root y. Next, I notice that I have a exponent on my argument, so I can bring that exponent next to the logarithm, and now I have 2 log x plus log of y to the 1/2, because I can rewrite the square root of y as y to the 1/2. That's a fractional exponent. But now I have an exponent on my argument, which means that I can bring that down next to the logarithm. So now I get 2 log x plus 1/2 log y. And I can't simplify this any further. Let's take a look at example L. The first thing that I notice is that I'm dividing inside of my argument. And whenever I'm dividing, I can rewrite the logarithmic expression in terms of subtraction. So here, I'm going to get the difference of log base 6 of the numerator, which I can rewrite as x to the 1/3, since I have root 3, and then the exponent of my base is just 1. I'm going to get the difference of the numerator with the log base 6 of the denominator, which here would be 36y to the 4th. Beginning on the left, I notice that my argument, I have an exponent. I can bring that exponent next to the logarithm. So now I get 1/3 log base 6 of x. And then on the right, I have a product inside of my argument. So I can rewrite this in terms of addition. I'm going to put brackets so that I don't forget to distribute that negative. And I'm going to get log base 6 of 36. And then we're going to sum it with log base 6 of y to the 4th. Okay, let's continue. So I have 1/3 log base 6 of x. And as I distribute this negative, I'm going to get negative log base 6 of 36. But then this part, I can actually evaluate it, because recall that this means 6 to the x equal to 36. And I can easily find this exponent. 6 times 6 is 36, so my exponent has to be 2. This is going to go to 2. Okay, we're going to distribute this negative and get negative 4 log base 6 of y. Since 4 is an exponent inside of my argument, I can bring down next to a logarithm. And I get this beautiful result, which is 1/3 log base 6 of x. We subtract 2, and we subtract 4 log base 6 of y.